Hi, today I'm going to discuss resource boosters on the video game industry idle. A resource booster does what it sounds like. It'll boost the resource it's touching. With certain policies, it can also boost a factory when the resource booster is touching the resource. So here I have two examples. Here I have two side-by-side coal mines, and down here I have two side-by-side coal mines. In both examples, they're level 10, but one of them is surrounded by resource boosters. Here you can see it's getting an adjacency bonus without the resource booster, but it's only putting out 17,000 coal. Now looking at the one with the resource boosters, it's getting boosted from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 resource boosters. It's getting adjacency bonus, but also a plus 856% capacity. Here you can see 161,000 coal versus roughly 17,000 coal. You can also, using policies, build factories on the other side of the resource boosters to then increase production with those. So go into the gavel icon. The big policy you want to use here is supply chain booster. Now there are 4 policies that you can use together that'll make the best combination to get the best boost. This is Adjacent Bonus Plus, Supply Chain Booster, Tile Modifier Plus, and Nature's Power. Because I'm using Supply Chain Booster and I built a coal gasification plant here, it is getting additional boosts to input and output. So what's happening is, think of it as a line from the coal mine through the resource booster to the coal gasification plant. They're all getting boosted. If I was to build a coal gasification plant by itself, let's find a like tile modifier of 20%. Here we go. It will have significantly less production. So here, level 10 with the boost, input 105,000 coal, output 82,000 each. Without the resource booster, input 26,000, output only 16,000. When using resource boosters, it's best to use mines where they are multiple. So here I have 2. Sometimes you can find 3 in a row. The more you find in a row, the better. You get more bang for your buck on the resource boosters. When using supply chain booster, a way like this, where I'm using coal gasification plant, sometimes the boosts are randomly assigned. If all of these factories are the same level, they're randomly assigned to whichever one it will choose. However, if one factory is a higher level, it will choose that factory to apply the boost to. So a good example of that would be this setup. Here you can see I have built coal gasification plants all along this one side. This one is getting a boost. 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 This one is not getting a boost. And this one is getting a boost. But if you've noticed, each of these are in the 100 range except this one. It's in the 300 range. So it's safe to assume that this factory has stolen the boost from this building. But if I was to level it up, it is now getting its boost. And the boost is removed from here, and this is only getting 1 boost. So keep that in mind in your builds. So hopefully this is enough information for you to understand that resource boosters are an enormous help and will propel you much further, much faster in the game.